ZZ, the superhero. By day, he's a very professional handyman carpenter, but when danger strikes, he becomes a superhero advocate for animals who are in danger or need rescue. Meet ZZ the superhero, also known as ZZ the handyman. He has a sideline passion for helping animals and animal rescue. With super speed, super strength, and intuition. When required, he will temporarily race to the rescue. Whether it's a homeowner or an animal in need of immediate assistance, ZZ springs into action. From saving homes to protecting every furry friend in need, ZZ the superhero is one call away. ZZ the handyman, your one-call repair hero, helping animals and humans too.